Introducing Secure Connect from Geeny, part of Telefónica Germany. IoT devices using Secure Connect SIM cards connect to Telefónica's cellular network and the networks of our roaming partners. Secure Connect SIMs are isolated from the internet, unlike regular mobile SIMs. Instead, they use a secure private subnetwork connected to a virtual private cloud environment managed by Geeny's secure gateway. It's that simple. Public internet connections make IoT data vulnerable to attack. But with Secure Connect, you get an affordable private network that minimizes vulnerabilities and maximizes security. Only devices on your private network can talk to your cloud and, of course, to each other. IoT device use is set to grow exponentially with 5G. To scale your business, you'll need network segregation to manage an ever-growing number of devices, especially when handling different device types, OEM devices, or multiple tenants. Secure Connect gives you complete control over your data flow. You can grow your IoT business without worrying about bandwidth or network stability. Secure Connect supports any business that uses IoT data. From smart grid networks that need to safeguard energy production, hospitals that need to keep medical devices operational, through to logistics firms transporting goods to their destination safely and rapidly. In fact, Secure Connect supports multiple IoT use case scenarios spanning a vast range of business types and industries. At last, a private network that's within everyone's reach. Head to www.geeny.io to learn more. Connect all your things easily and securely today.